Hi, hello, Assalamualaikum, Habibtis. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and I've been quite busy. So actually, I ended up my career with Hello Rage for some personal reasons. And now that I've been trying to look for a new career, hopefully in God's will, inshallah. I will share with you the different medical virtual assistant companies that you may apply with. Okay, pwede kayo mag-apply dito, guys. Especially if you already have BPO experience or healthcare virtual assistant experience, medical virtual assistant experience, yun. So, if for no experience, so still we can try it. Okay, so anyway, let me just share something here. Okay, okay. And you can see, so as you can see here, guys, so the first is my mountain mover. Okay, so as you can see, my mountain mover, punta lang kayo, search nyo lang siya, my mountain mover. Okay, so this is find your virtual assistant job. So apply now, just click apply now so that pwede natin siyang makita, guys. Okay, so these are the available jobs that they have. So if you have all these experiences. So you can just click, for example, your dental biller, medical biller. For example, ako ay isang RN medical virtual assistant. You just have to click it. So the deadline for applicants, ito, August 12. So these are the tasks or the responsibilities. You can just read it, guys. Requirement, minimum 1 year proven medical virtual assistant. So if you're asking for the salary, starting of 1,042, which is so good, right? So just click on the apply, of course. So again, there are a lot of different job postings or careers or jobs here. So what suits you, and then you apply. Okay, click apply, and there are the instructions. Okay, just type in your name, everything, fill it up. Okay, so yun. Just follow the instructions, guys. And for mountain mover, I'm parang I have a friend that's parang nag-work siya dito, and she said it's very good company. She worked there for more than 3 years. So she resigned, but she said she wants to go back kasi um mababait daw yung mga ano. But anyway, I think mababait naman talaga lahat dapat, 'di ba? The next one, of course, for those who does not have any experiences, it's always Hello Rage is the best option. For newly graduate, ayun, they accept it kahit hindi ka pa licensed, newly graduate ka of any allied or medical courses. So dito na kayo, guys. Dito na. Wala nang iba. So, HelloRage is still the best options for you to apply. Just click here, apply. As you can see here, apply as a healthcare virtual assistant. If you have dental and vet, these are new. Yung andun pa ako sa HelloRage, wala pa tong dental and vet. No, meron na. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Meron na to. But I click here because healthcare virtual assistant nga. And then, ayun. So you can read everything here and then apply now. This is a very good company, guys. The HelloRage Irie. It's highly recommendable. Okay. I really salute the people there. They are very professional. Ang babait nilang lahat. I can't say anything. They are really the best, I think. I mean, from because my experience is just with HelloRage, so I can really recommend HelloRage, especially for those who does not have experience talaga. HelloRage with the very good rate ba naman ng $7 per hours, guys. Wala kang experience, $7 per hour. Kailangan mong tiisin kung anong ano, and for the job, tinuturuan ka talaga nila for everything. So, just follow all the instructions here. Of course, upload a copy of what's this NBA clearance, diploma, etc. So, they are very, ano sila, they are very accommodating, mababait, and professional as what I've said. So, ayun. So, next is, let me check. Next is, tanggalin muna natin itong Hello Rage. Tapos na tayo sa Hello Rage. Okay. Etong Medva. Okay, Medical Virtual Assistant Medva, MedVA. So all you have to do is go to medva.ph or just click Medva. So medva.ph, tapos lalabas to siya, this one. This is also highly recommendable kasi narinig ko na rin to and marami ang when I was working, marami talaga nag-work sa Medva and they have their virtual assistants are very good kasi experienced na talaga sila. And I believe the rate here is $7 per hour. It's like Hello Rage. So when you click apply now, okay. So different positions sila kasi may ano din sila, may business VA, BizVa, I think. So you can find here medical virtual admin assistant on site, so or remote, ayan, dental biller remote, medical coder if you're a medical coder. So social media marketing, show more, let's show more. Sales. These are the available medical biller on-site na naman, experienced medical dental biller, remote. So if you're a medical biller, scribe, ito, meron, may available, guys. Experienced medical, just click here. Okay? Click on your, if you're a dental virtual assistant, so experienced medical scribe. So I am actually medical virtual assistant and wala siya dito. So wala siya. On site, but we need remote, 'di ba? Just click here for example. Okay, let's remove this one. Tapos overview, you can just read this, of course, and everything, then you can apply. Okay, send everything here. And of course, they will contact you for that. So this is also again one of the best, I believe so. Kasi marami talaga akong kasama dati na talagang medpa sila. Okay. Okay. So next is Cool Blue, sorry, VA. Cool Blue VA. Just click apply here. So medical virtual assistant. So I don't know anyone who worked here, but I've seen some videos from TikTok for Cool Blue VA. I don't know if this is a new company or anything, and I'm not sure how much is their ano po, is their rate. So if you just want to apply, if I were you guys, apply everything. 'Diba? There's no harm in trying. Apply and apply and apply. Hanggang sa you'll find the right one, the perfect match for you. Ano to? Apply now. Become a medical virtual assistant. So when you click it, oh, sorry, you've already responded daw. So bawal. Yeah, actually, I sent application before, pero I think hindi na ako nakapag-response when they tried to set me up for an interview. So I don't know why. Baka na busy na talaga si Mother. Okay, so the other one again is Cool Blue VA. Okay, try and try until you succeed. Hi, call virtual assistant. This one I think I saw this. Um, I'm not sure if this is new or what, pero nakita ko to siya sa Online Jobs PH. Okay, tapos may nag-post doon. Nag-send ako ng email sa kanya and then they responded and then I searched their company. So as you can see here, apply now. Okay. So I think they're not just, oh, job application form is no longer accepting responses. Oh, I'm not sure why. Basta, I applied here dati nga. Basta, i-try nyo to, guys. So, hindi lang sila pang medical o pang business din sila and everything. So, everyone can apply here. Okay, hi call, virtual assistant. And then po, guys, the other one also na medyo sikat is cyber. vet, if you click cyber vet, cyber assist na sila guys, hindi na cyber vet. Kasi dati, cyber vet lang, I think they're more on vet side dati. But now, they are cyber assist na kasi they have the medical and the dental na rin. So, I believe this is not $10, so this is for the so if I were you guys, where did I find the ano schedule at the mo meron yung dati pa kasi I tried also sending here pero hindi din ako join our team. Okay, join our team. Click sa lower pinakadulo guys, join our team. Tapos yun, you just fill out again all this information. Okay? So ayun, that's it. Just fill out all your information and of course they will be sending response to your email kung nakapasa kayo or kung for interview na kayo, 'di ba? So those are the virtual assistants for medical virtual assistants. If I were you, kahit wala kayong experience, okay? BPR experience, i-try nyo lang. Baka for interview, makakapas kayo, guys. So, with the rate at least $5 to $7, that's so very big na for us. And then, working from home, that's the best thing, di ba? Although, most of the time, it's graveyard shift talaga. Kasi sa States yung mga clients natin. So, talagang umaga doon, ay gabi dito. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Anyway, I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, maybe pwede niyong i-send sa comment section para I can respond kung alam ko yung sagot. But anyway, thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned something and I hope na makakahanap kayo ng right client, right company that's best for you and best for us. Fighting! Let's go! Bye!